Well, here's another episode with Tape Hating Dog, if I can find him. Well, let's take a look at my house. I bet he went upstairs with my dad. So you can look around at my house. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, where's that? Oh, there he is. Oh, there you are, bud. Okay.
Honey, do you want to go and do the sleepover tomorrow?
Sure. I'll pet you. Okay.
You have to take a shower tonight.
Ow! He's don't snap at me.
It's not comfortable with it.
He hates tape. That's just.
It's the way you put the choppers on.
No.
He sneezes when he.
Oh my God!
Snappers. Get off it.
It's not like he's mad, but
No.
he's like,
Ow!
Oh my God, that is the weirdest thing.
Apparently our dog hates.
Okay, that's enough of that video, honey.
because you can see him go.
I know. He doesn't like it.
Come on.
Oh,
That is the craziest smile I've ever seen on a dog.
I don't think that's a smile.
That
It's
is
not
not a
a
smile.
smile.
Oh my God, you're the weirdest.
Oh. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll talk to you later.
I really appreciate that, Marty. That was a very
Aw.
nice gesture.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Well, he sneezes when he's mad. Trying to chew him on my hand, but he can't. Okay, well, that's my dog that honestly hates tape. Okay, I'll take the tape off of my hand now. Let's take the tape off of my hand. Okay, honestly, that kind of hurt. Look at him. Aww. Oh, I guess he just hates the tape. It's not me. Oh, buddy, I don't have the tape on anymore. Okay. Apparently it was just tape. Huh. Bye.